morning, diamond painting friends. Jessica here with Tiny Worlds of Wonder. I know, twice in 1 week. This is very unusual for me, but thanks for stopping in and checking out what I'm doing here today. You might wonder what in the heck Jessica's doing with the DAC canvas, and it's a valid question considering how much flack I've given DAC on my channel. I think politely. It's been polite flack. But when I saw this new Christmas release with a couple of really cute, like cartoonish Christmas images, I thought I might try one out. So, as you know, I've been on a quest lately to find companies that create legally licensed diamond paintings. DAC has always been the go-to for this purpose. And my reservations with Diamond Art Club have chiefly been that their square drills were, at the time I ordered, super gappy. Let me know below if that's still the case. If you've purchased a square drill recently and the drills are really tight fitting, let me know. Give me an update on that. But this canvas is round, so I wanted to try out a round canvas. My other chief concern with DAC has been their renderings, and while I'm still not a very big fan of their renderings, I have to say, we're going to give this one a try because I think it might lend itself to DAC's style pretty well. So let's get into this box. I ordered this canvas on Sunday night at midnight and it arrived in my mail on Wednesday. So that was pretty awesome. It's pretty fantastic. Really fast. I feel like there's more. There's more. All right. So this is the image I got. It's the one called Santa Face. And he's so cute. Now you guys, this is really cool because I think this is a sticker. If you guys get DAC all the time, you probably know all about this, but I don't get DAC all the time. So this is new to me. This is pretty cool. This is a 50 by 71, round with AB, and they listed the artist on the website, and I'll see if I can figure that out and stick a card in here so we can all celebrate the artist. Okay, so that's pretty cool. I'm not going to have to make my usual tacky masking tape labels for my containers. All right, the usual toolkit. I'm not going to get into that because I don't ever use the DAC toolkit anyway. Okay, you know my favorite part's the canvas, so that's what I want to look at. Step-by-step instructions to diamond painting. That's pretty cool. They even list the checkerboard method as a possible way to work that canvas. Okay, awesome. Let me give this a little roly-roly. So, for you guys who are sort of new to the diamond painting world, recently I told you about the poured glue method versus the double stick tape method for laying down glue. This is a classic example of the poured glue method and the clear cover I was telling you about. Oh my gosh, that is a humongous Santa face. That is, I mean, I knew how big 50 by 70 was going to be, but that is a ginormous Santa face. Okay, so what am I noticing about this canvas? First of all, the canvas is very sparkly. Like I said in one of my reviews earlier, I don't particularly like the sparkly canvas because my house is very bright, and when the sunlight comes in or the light from my overhead lamp comes on, I can't see my canvas. It's so reflective. So that's something I'm not a huge fan of on the canvas itself. The canvas material is magical, you guys. It's just magical. And the condition of the glue on DAC I gotta say, hands down, they have the best canvas quality of any canvas I've ever purchased. You might see if you take a close-up look at this canvas that it has a few little, like, almost markings where the cover sheet was laying. But the best part about poured glue is that that doesn't make any difference at all. It doesn't change a thing. So, let me peel this back a little ways. I'll let you see what we have going on here. But then, of course, I'll take you on a trip farther away from the canvas so you can get more of an idea. Now this, pardon my froggy voice today. Good grief. I guess I haven't had enough coffee yet today. The symbols are really clear on this canvas. I'll take you on a better tour here in a minute. The thing that I see, that I always see on Diamond Art Club, that always makes me go, oh, because I really like their canvases so much. Like, the quality of their canvases is so good. But there's, let me put this back because I can see myself with what I'm about to do, just dropping this on the glue. But do you see how much delicious variation in color this original artwork has? Like minute areas of shading and tinting and really cool stuff like that. Diamond Art Club, with their rendering process, and they do hand chart all their pictures, which means, and they've clarified this with me, so I know I'm right on it, a designer hand chooses a pixel color for every square on the canvas, which is extremely talented. That is amazing to me. It's marvelous, but the result on, for me, I think all of their canvases, I don't think I've ever seen one where this isn't the case, is that there is a lot of color blocking on their pieces, and you don't get the fine gradation of color between your light and shadow. And so what that does is cartoonize the image quite a bit, so that maybe some of the sophistication of the original artwork is lost. This becomes more like a version of the artwork and not the exact picture itself. And because this image was already a little bit cartoonized, like it lent itself to this process, I think this is gonna turn out okay, actually. But if there was one thing that I would honestly buy DAC canvases all the time if the drill issue was fixed, the square drill issue, and their renderings were just a little bit more, I hate to say artistic because I know an artist is doing them and I don't want to sound judgy at all because that's amazing. But if there was just a little bit more true to artwork rendering, if the artwork was a little truer to the original look of the artwork. So, enough said about that. I'm going to get into the drills here. And then we'll go on a little field trip. I'm not going to show you all the colors because you can kind of see from where you are. But we have a ton of reds, of course. This is a very traditionally Christmas colored canvas. Ooh. But we have some hot pink. That's exciting. And we have probably my favorite shade of green in the world, this sort of evergreen color. And we have some white ABs. So that's going to be really fun. Now, because my other Christmas canvas is huge, it's a 70 by 92, this one's going to feel like a bit of a snack break, I have a feeling, given that it's around. And those are always faster. So the drills look really, really good. Of course they do. That's great. Let's go on a little field trip and I'll show you the canvas from farther away so you can see how you like it. So there you have it, guys. There's DAC's Santa face. I think this one's going to come out looking really nice. The canvas, as you saw, is really good quality. Any little rivering reflections you saw as I panned close up were not in the glue itself, just in the plastic cover on top. So this canvas looks absolutely pristine as usual. Again, if there would be one thing that could make me a rabidly loyal DAC customer, it would be having renderings that have some more confetti, some more color changes, some more sophisticated sort of shading. So DAC, if that's something that you could even put in a couple canvases, you would have my heart forever. I really think you would. And I know you would have a market for a whole lot of viewers that have reached out to me with the same feelings about this. So I give this canvas a high rating on my internal review-ometer. To me, it looks really good. I'm actually really excited to start this one. As always, I'll keep you posted on other companies I find that have legally licensed artwork for diamond painting. But I think I'm off to start this canvas now because it's pretty awesome. Thanks for stopping in today, guys. I'll catch you next time. Spread some joy wherever you are today. Have a great weekend. Bye.